Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. If you're new here, welcome. So today's video, I have a couple things to share. This is for the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2025. This will be my August project. So on my right here, I have a digital kit that I created. It's called Country Cottage. This is a free digital kit in my shop. And then over here on the left, I have a kit from Junk Joirnal Treasures, JoAnn. This is called Look to the Sky. So some of you may be familiar with JoAnn's channel or her work. We met through Lindsay with Nevermore Creations when Lindsay was doing consignment journals, and I purchased the consignment portion of Lindsay's journal shop a few years ago, and JoAnn was kind enough to join me on my endeavors, and she is a vendor in my shop or supplier. So she has about 46 digital kits that she's created, and I've always loved her digital work. She had an Etsy shop where she was selling them, and she can no longer do that. So she reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in purchasing the rights to sell her digitals. So we are doing that, and I had already started creating this kit for a custom journal that I'm going to be creating, and for a commission journal. And then I found this kit in with JoAnn's, and I thought they coordinated so well together with the theme I'm doing. So this will be a country cottage themed journal, and the options we're looking at, I'm talking with the person who commissioned me to make the journal, and we're coming up with a plan. But this is a quilted fabric piece sample sorry, from a quilt. We might use that, it goes well with the colors, or we might go with these, which are vintage feed sack material, and then I would take and patchwork these into a journal cover. So we're kind of figuring out what we're going to do there. I probably will go ahead either way. Whatever the person who's commissioned the journal decides, I'll probably go ahead and create another journal with the other option, whether she goes with this quilted piece or the patchwork. And then the other journal will be available in my shop. So I'll be watching for that. So I'm going to look at each one of these kits and go through them for you. I'll go through JoAnn's first here. And again, this is JoAnn's will be a kit that you will purchase if you want that for the digital download. And I am looking into doing printed versions, so you would be able to order any of the kits that I have in my shop and get those as a print and ship option. I am still working on getting a new printer specifically for that. So anyway, here is the kit. As you can see, she's done some beautiful layering work with this digital, and the vintage floral wallpaper background will go great with the country cottage look. And then the person who commissioned it also asked for birds, so that's why when I found this kit in with the kits from JoAnn, I was so thrilled. And we have this beautiful page here. I love how she's added the script in there. And then we have these vintage lady photos here, and the flowers bring it all together. This one has collage work with that beautiful, again, wallpaper background and the bird there. And this one is a fun page too, especially being folded in half. This would be a lot of fun to work with. This one has an owl, and I love the colors, how she's combined them. The neutrals, the greens, the pinks, all work so well together. This one's more simple. I thought about maybe tearing out a piece of tea-dyed paper and putting on there for a journal spot. And the same on this side. That makes a nice look. And then we have this one. So this is an 11-page kit. They are all digital journal pages. Love that background too. So that's JoAnn's kit, and then we'll take a look at the free kit that is mine. So I created this again just for this journal, but I wanted to offer that. I will be having a Country Cottage add-on kit, which will be available for purchase. So this kit is free, and then I'll have an additional kit that will go along with it that will have more ephemera. So this page is just a background page, but I like the colors and how well it went with the theme. And then when I found JoAnn's kit, it just went along so well. So here we have a little country cottage, some books, some birds, a label. And then this page has a nice neutral background with a little spot here for journaling. And again, here I love to have mixed up places where you can journal. And then here is the ephemera page that comes with this. There's only one ephemera page, but there will be more in that Country Cottage add-on. So be looking for that in the next few days here. So yeah, with the purchase of the rights to sell JoAnn's journal kits, be looking for more of those. I'll be doing these videos where I preview the kits, and then I'll have them available for instant download in my shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I will have an update video once the journals, because I'm going to be doing 2 at least. When they are complete, I will show a flip through video. Check out everyone else's hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2025 videos this month. We have 9 ladies who each month produce 2 videos related to a bucket list journal or project. So we've been having a lot of fun with that. I hope you guys tune into that. Put that hashtag in and you can find all the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.